Hi everyone. Going back to look at some results today. So the first results we're going to look at is for your OF tubes. Those were for exercise 36. Just to remind you guys, this is what the OF tube looked like before inoculation. And we inoculated two different tubes, one that had a layer of mineral oil on it and one that did not. So we were looking for whether or not the tube turned yellow, and if it was yellow, it's positive. So this is an example of a positive, and if I put that next to the uninoculated, that's what it would look like. So this is a positive control. This is E. coli right here. And if we look at E. coli's two tubes, so this is the one without the mineral oil, and this is the one with the mineral oil, we can see that they're both yellow. What does that mean? That means that the E. coli was able to utilize glucose in either a aerobic, right, so with oxygen, and in an anaerobic environment. So that means that E. coli is a facultative anaerobe, meaning that it can use glucose in the presence and absence of oxygen. Or if we look at another one, and this is a negative control, this is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So this is the one without the mineral oil. So this is the one with oxygen. And it's not as yellow as the E. coli one, but that's okay. That still gives it a positive. And this is the one without oxygen. And it's a little bit yellow at the top, and that's probably because there's a little bit of oxygen getting in there, and the mineral oil wasn't as thick as it needed to be. So we consider Pseudomonas a obligate aerobe. Okay, so what is this tell us? This will tell us the, on your chart down on the bottom, it has O/F, and it will have two choices, either OA, which means it's an obligate aerobe, or FA, which means it's a facultative anaerobe. So your cultures will be able to tell you whether you have a facultative anaerobe or an obligate aerobe.